If you have just finished customizing your Shopify store and ready to start selling, there is one crucial step you don't want to miss it: removing the Shopify password page. Otherwise, your customer won't be able to purchase while your store is password protected. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kamrul, and today I am going to show you how to remove password page from your Shopify store. Let's get started. Log in your Shopify dashboard, go to the online store, and now you will see preferences. Click on that. Now scroll down in the password protection section. This is the password protection section. From here, you can disable and enable your Shopify store password page. So just simply uncheck this box. Then I cannot uncheck this box because this is the development store. So you can uncheck it from your store. After uncheck this box, go down and click save. That's it. Now visit your store. You will see visit customer can visit your Shopify store without any password. Thank you.